social distancing is a complete antithesis to what schooling is. Schooling is about humanizing, it's about socializing, it's about bringing people together. So, how do we look at this kind of an infrastructure when we bring in individualized sports programs? So, we have to keep students apart with these individualized programs, whether it's a Tai Chi or a yoga or it's martial arts or it's a sort of mindfulness. So, which would be more people, more staff, more resources, more approach and novel programs given to various service providers who would need to find novel ways of how they make sports engaging now in a school system, because that is imperative, because children need exercise, and I think that's extremely important.
Of all the redesign that we are doing, I think the most challenging right now is the one with the physical infrastructure, because that unfortunately cannot change. The class size cannot become bigger, the walls cannot be broken down, the library remains how it is. So now we have to deal with the numbers fitting into those spaces, keeping in mind the idea of physical distancing, keeping in mind the idea that they have to be sanitized, they have to be taken care of, and every child has to be made aware constantly. It has to be almost like a mantra in his mind that they cannot go too close for fear of infection.
So I would like to say that let's not squander this opportunity the crisis offers, and let's rebuild our education systems thoughtfully and intentionally, so that we can ensure skills like resilience, creativity, and adaptability are there for our children to learn. Let's give a new meaning to what it means to be educated in this brave new world. And let's not just limit ourselves to thinking what we are going to do immediately after the schools open, but let's think far ahead for the years to come.
We are dealing with with digital natives. So we've got to keep up with them. So social infrastructure, for me, the most important point in social infrastructure would be the change in the mindset, and that is something that's going to be tough. But we made a beautiful beginning in COVID-19. Let's continue with that mind shift, and I think we're going to do a great job with that.
When we open school, we will have to look at some physical changes, and those physical changes are definitely not to break down the school. I mean, I don't think any one of us is going to do that. But yes, we will look at transport. That is the time where social distancing will happen. We will look at cafeteria. We will look at our teaching spaces. We will look at housekeeping and sanitization. I think that is going to be even above education right now, because we'll have to make sure that the school is disinfected.
The child can complete some lessons always and always online at home. Call the students for half a day at school and let the rest half of that particular day, even if we call the staggered number of say 15 or 20 children from one classroom, even if you call them, give them a half a day of active play time in the school, so that we have healthy children, so that we have citizens who grow up to be having great immunity.